black eye beans pan fried. It's called Lobia beans also. So this one very simple and easy way I'm making. This is snack items. Okay friends, let's begin the process now. These are 1.5 cup beans I soaked last night. I'm going to pressure cook because I soaked last night. It cooks very fast. Just adding about half glass of water, half teaspoon salt. I'm going to pressure cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Black eye beans cooks very fast. You can even cook in ordinary pan also for 20 to 25 minutes. The pressure cooker makes very fast. So I'm going to cook up to 2 to 3 whistles. So the pressure cooker 3 whistles. The beans cooked so well. 3 whistles. Beans are ready. Other ingredients: 1 onion, 1 tomato, 2 to 3 green chilies, some fresh curry leaves, fresh coriander leaves. I'm going to finely chop and keep it ready except for curry leaves. Dry ingredients: half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder. For the tempering, 2 tablespoon oil, tempering seeds half teaspoon each, cumin and mustard seeds, 1 dry red chili, and pinch of hing. Let's start the process now. On stove, adding 2 tablespoon oil, tempering seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds half teaspoon each, 1 dry red chili, curry leaves, pinch of hing, now I'm adding green chilies. Just mix. To add chopped onion, mix and cook just for until the onion should be soft. Onions are soft, so just in 2 minutes time. Add tomato. Cook for another 1 more minute. In 1 minute now, tomatoes are soft. Adding all the dry spices. Cook another 1 more minute on medium flame. Spices cook. Adding the beans. Add fresh coriander leaves. Mix and cook. Spices is according to your own taste. Chili powder, salt. If you like more spice, add more. If you like less, add less. So your own taste. The snack dish, you can just have your meal, spice dish. It will be very tasty. And cook on medium flame 4 to 5 minutes. Mix once. Adding another half teaspoon salt. Salt looks less to me. Always add less salt. You can check and add later on. It's nice. Too much salt is not good. 5 minutes. Beans are cooked with the spices very nice. Now switch off the flame. Now serving to the plates black eye beans. Here is yummy tasty pan fried black eye beans ready to serve. Here is yummy tasty pan fried black eye beans recipe is ready. It's a snack item. You can enjoy anytime. Hope you all going to like it. If you all like, please do not forget to like and share, subscribe to my channel.